Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Offset skips a specific number of rows before returning query results. This allows queries to return later segments of a full result set. Always pair offset with order by to avoid non-deterministic row order. Offset 0 returns the first row set, while offset 10 skips 10 rows and starts at row 11. You can combine offset with limit or fetch to bound the number of rows returned. Remember that offset affects which rows are considered, not how rows are sorted or filtered. Use limit 10 offset 20 to return 10 rows starting at row 21. In PostgreSQL, you can write that or use fetch in standard SQL where supported. In SQL Server, use offset 20 rows fetch next 10 rows only after an order by clause. Always ensure your query has order by when using offset to guarantee consistent results. Calculate offset as page 1 asterisk page size for consistent pagination math across pages. Replace page size with 10 or any numeric page size you require. Deep offsets such as offset 100,000 can be inefficient and slow queries because the database must scan and discard many rows. To avoid this, prefer keyset pagination using where with the last seen key for the next page. Keyset pagination returns rows after a specific value and does not require large offset calculations. Use indexes on order by columns to reduce scanning costs and I/O when you must use offset. Also limit page size to reasonable values like 10 or 50 for better performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.